Slope is defined as the rise over the run of the line, or the change in y divided by the change in x, and the equation to find the slope is slope, which is represented by the lowercase m, equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Here's some examples to calculate the slope. Given the 2 points, -2, -1, 4, 5, to calculate the slope, I will call the first point x sub 1, y sub 1, and the second point x sub 2, y sub 2. So when I use my formula, I will subtract the two y's first. Y sub 2, 5, minus a -1 divided by 4 minus a -2. I'll change these to add the opposites, and this becomes 6 divided by 6, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So the slope of this line is 1. The second example, once again, I will subtract my y's first. I can say 1 minus 4 or 4 minus 1. Doesn't matter which order as long as I'm consistent. So if I say 4 minus 1 in this example, then on the bottom I will say -3 minus 4. I'll change them to add the opposites. 4 and a -1 is 3. -3 and -4 is -7. So the slope is -3/7, which I know can be written in any of these ways. The third example, the change in y's. Did you notice that the y's are exactly the same? The x's are not. Well, anytime I subtract two numbers that are exactly the same, I'm going to get 0. 0 divided by 10 is 0. So the slope of this line is 0, the number 7. The y's are the same. That means if I were to graph it, this would be a horizontal line. A horizontal line has a slope of 0. In the last example, you might notice that the x's are the same. So I'll subtract the y's on the top and subtract the x's on the bottom. Well, this time I get 0 in the denominator, and we know that we cannot divide by 0. That is undefined. There is no answer to this question. So that means this line has no slope. And since the x's are the same, we know this is a vertical line. Vertical lines have no slope. You'll save yourself a lot of time if you can remember those two facts, that vertical lines have no slope, horizontal lines have a slope of 0.